Welcome to Sukhi, and today let's make savory pancakes with chickpea flour, spinach, carrots. Very healthy and very easy to make. For this, take one potato, clean it, peel it and grate it. So once you grate it, put it in water to take out that extra starch, and also it will not get dark. So keep it in water by the time we make the pancake mix ready. So for this I have taken chickpea flour, half cup. To this add rice flour. Rice flour is just for crispiness. Don't add too much, 2 tablespoons. Turmeric boosts your immunity and gives a nice color. Some salt to taste. And you can add spices as you like black pepper powder, a little bit of black pepper. You can just add black pepper and skip red peppers, but I like red chili powder. So pink Himalayan salt is optional. It will give that nice eggy flavor. So now vegetables, carrots, spinach, any greens you have you can add. I'm adding cilantro and mint. So any greens you add. Finally, we are going to take out the grated potato from the water when we are ready to make the pancakes. I forgot to add cumin powder, so I'm going to add cumin powder now. And this potatoes, and you can make different pancakes every time by adding different combination of spices, different vegetables of your choice, what you have in the refrigerator. Mix it well and add water, because the spinach, all the greens will leave moisture, so add water little by little. We want to make the batter of pancake consistency, so add water little by little. And after mixing it, keep it for about 10 minutes. Keep aside for 10 minutes before you start making the pancakes. These are savory, spicy pancakes. So I'm going to keep it aside. And when you keep it aside, it will start absorbing some water and become thick. So this is the consistency. So it's dropping consistency, not too thin, not too watery. So I've taken a cast iron pan. So I'm going to apply some oil. And first time you need some oil, but later on you don't need much oil. And add to the pan. You can make thin one or a little bit thick one, whichever you prefer. If you're making thick one, make sure you cover it both the time. So cover and steam for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side, and flip them. If it's difficult to flip, then you can add oil. If it's a non-stick pan, it's not a problem. It can be flipped on the iron pan very easily. So non-stick, it will be very easy. So I'm going to cook on the other side. Press it when you are flipping it. After flipping, press it very nicely, so the whole pancake is cooked very nicely. So this is done, and it's very easy and very healthy. You can make it anytime and add vegetables of your choice. Very good for children. So after you flip, make sure you press it very nicely. So please post any comments you have and subscribe Sukhi for more videos. Thank you for watching and have a blessed day ahead.